Hello, dear children. I hope you all are safe and sound at your places, bete. Okay, dear children, in previous video, I gave this worksheet as your homework. I hope you must have completed your homework. Okay, so the worksheet says that we need to underline compound sentences. You have to find out compound sentences and just underline them. So we have to underline compound sentences. Let's read the paragraph. British drivers are the safest and most polite in Europe. So it is a compound sentence as we have two independent clauses joined by and. Just 1 in 10 London drivers does not stop at red lights and 9 in 10 obey parking laws. Again, two independent clauses are there, so we need to underline them. Mobile phones are fast becoming a necessity? No. They are no doubt very helpful but may prove to be a problem on road. So this is a compound sentence. Underline करना है. Many drivers using mobile phones have smashed into car in front. No. The traffic police have been working hard to find a solution but have found little success. It is a compound sentence. दो independent clauses से बना है. It seems impossible to convince drivers not to carry or use mobiles while driving. This is also a compound sentence. One solution brings some hope. Drivers do not use mobile phones at all or pay a fine of rupees £50 each time they are seen using a mobile phone while driving. So again, this is going to be a compound sentence. Okay? Or, but, and. These coordinating conjunctions have been used to join these compound sentences. Next worksheet 8 we have. Worksheet 7 will do it later on. Worksheet 8, put commas in the following sentences. One has been done as an example. Okay, worksheet 8 इसको डिस्कस करने से पहले लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग कि जो कंपाउंड सेंटेंसेस होते हैं, कंपाउंड कोऑर्डिनेट सेंटेंसेस कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन से जो ज्वाइन किए जाते हैं, अगर वो इफ़ दे आर वेरी शॉर्ट तो हम लोग उनमें कॉमा का यूज़ करते हैं. कंजंक्शन से पहले कॉमा का यूज़ किया जाता है. तो दैट इज़ वाई इट हैज़ बीन रिटन पुट ए कॉमा. Raman cooked the meal and Ronnie washed the dishes. So a comma has been put here, right? Right? Monica went to see film and Shilpa went to play for basketball. तो कॉमा हमने यूज़ किया फिल्म के बाद. Help me clean up the bedroom or I'll tell mom you made the mess. Again we need to use comma और से ठीक पहले because एक ही independent clause है. Radhika loves computers and she has got a job as a computer artist. So Radhika loves computers, ये कॉमा यहाँ पे यूज़ हो. The coach told me to practice every day or he would drop me from the team. The coach told me to practice every day, comma और इन coordinating conjunction है. जो भी आपकी coordinating conjunctions होगी उसके ठीक पहले आपको कॉमा का यूज़ करना है if your sentence is a short one. Last one, if your friend calls, should I give him your message or should I ask him to come again? तो और के पहले मैसेज से कॉमा. He wants to read but he has misplaced his spectacles. He wants to read, कॉमा reads के बाद और but से पहले. Worksheet 9, this is do it yourself. Read the passage given below. Read the passage given below. There are some errors, underline the errors and write the correct one in the space provided. Now you have to, what you have to do बेटे, यहाँ पे इन लाइंस में कोई ना कोई मिस्टेक है. आपने उस मिस्टेक को फाइंड आउट करना है और सामने करेक्ट, उसको यहाँ पे अंडरलाइन करना है। जैसे यहाँ पे था ना बट, जैसे यहाँ पे है ये बट, ये गलत है, तो बट की जगह पे एंड का यूज़ किया। ठीक वैसे ही आपने हर एक लाइन में, इन एवरी लाइन यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट ए मिस्टेक, अंडरलाइन इट एंड राइट ए करेक्ट वर्ड इन प्लेस ऑफ इट। द नेवी हैज़ चेंज्ड इट्स रूल्स बट अपॉइंटेड, सो बट की जगह पे एंड, appointed two women to be in charge of warships but look after 12 crew members। तो but यहाँ पे wrong है, the correct word should be and look after 12 crew members। Both women are in their late 20s or have considerable experience। So or, this one is wrong, or की जगह पे and। There are now two about 700 women at sea, but discussions are taking place as to whether they are to be allowed to serve on board submarines and keep to the warships only। So, in this, at sea, there are now about 700 women at sea, and discussions are taking place as to whether they are to be allowed to serve on boards or, एंड की जगह पे और। नेक्स्ट वी हैव बी पार्ट, ए 14 years old boy has become the world's youngest millionaire but has made his money by selling motor cars। सो बट की जगह पे यहाँ पे हु हैज़ मेड his money by selling motor cars, and और की जगह पे and his customers are from all over the world। His success means he owns a huge bungalow, and that is not all, he owns a grand SUV and has his own chauffeur who drives him around and a butler who looks after his kitchen। Okay, so you need to underline as well as underline the wrong words and write the correct words, right? Next we have filling the blanks with suitable words. He saw the boys fighting over the bicycle but did not approve of it. He knew the fight would end up badly, but he was a little surprised as what he saw. Raghu was a bully, and it was Ravi who was being so assertive. He wanted to end the fight, but he did not want to seem as if he were interfering. Should I stop them, or should I let them fight their own battle? He thought. Finally, he decided to intervene. He walked up to them and clapped his hands. They were taken aback, stared at him in surprise. Stop fighting at once, or I'll call your parents, he warned. We are not fighting, said Raghu disgustedly. But Ravi looked rather relieved to see him. These are some words, or we can say coordinating conjunctions, that have been used to fill in these blanks. Worksheet 7 I have. Worksheet 7 that I had told you that we'll do this worksheet in the end or later on. Get into groups of 3, read the following headings, select any one of them and discuss it among yourselves. Any one topic you have to choose. Homework should be abolished. All schools should have a 5-day week. Children should be admitted only to neighborhood schools and ideal students, school students. आपने इसके ऊपर write an article. You have to write an article on the topic that you have selected, right? And bring up the concept of complex sentences if required. So I had tried my best, right? So I have taken this topic, homework should be abolished. Homework should be abolished. I have written some lines on this title. I think homework should be abolished and all the tasks should be completed within the school, so that wherever the students get stuck, they can take the help of teachers. So you can see this is a complex sentence. One independent clause, another independent clause, then from here, so that it is a subordinate conjunction, so that subordinate clause or dependent clause we can say, and then one more independent clause. Complex sentences means one principal clause, yeah, one independent clause plus subordinate conjunction plus dependent clause, right? The students would get a lot of time to read some creative books, stories, and other activities. Homework not only makes the students busy, but also it makes them dull and tired. Not only, but also, it is apt to say that all work, no play makes a child dull. The students should be given some free time to play with their friends. Students should learn something from different activities like reading newspaper, attending dance classes, etc. etc. Right? So, homework should be abolished in schools, and different kind of activities should be introduced for the students, right? If you want to write on other topic, on some other topic, like the given topics, among the given topics, you can go for anyone, right?